I'll push it. You jump. Hey, Lucas, we gotta tell you something. You probably should get help. What the heck? My God.
Yeah.
Wait, we have to tell you.
Abuelo, are you recording this?
Yeah, I already told you. Oh, that was cool.
That's like the finale. No, it isn't.
Stop! You say everything is the finale whenever they lost something over 3.
I'm sorry. Austin, let's tell Angel the secret.
No, I'm good without the secret.
Don't chase him, Austin, if he runs.
You guys are bullies. Just so you know that.
Austin, chase him.
Yeah, everything here is real.
Get that move.
The
Moo cow.
Dude, you're the moo cow!
You should mail it to us. Moo cow. I'm coming.
Crap, I lost sight of. Little fireworks. Main event.
Where's the moo cow?
Austin.
Who's recording that?
Yep, I have nothing else to put on on YouTube, so
Wait,
entertaining
go
myself.
back to your what kind of fireworks do you have?
I have a couple of these ones over here.
So, could we maybe watch?
You're asking us if you could watch our fireworks.
Yeah.
Dude, that's pretty much saying, hey, can I look at you?
So is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine, man. Cool.
Angel, please stop them.
Yo, Austin, stop being a little jerk. Jake?
What?
Stop bullying Lucas!
Austin, stop.
If he doesn't, I'm gonna throw him in the sand pit first.
Austin, if you don't stop, he's gonna throw you in the sand pit, but we can outrun him easily. That won't be my chest out.
Hi, Austin, buddy.
Hi. Okay, stay next to Angel. It's not gonna make anything different. Austin, go!